Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be an addition clip to step 5 where we had created the masks. I forgot to add on how we export the masks. So this is actually going to be really fast, really simple, but a really important thing that I did miss for you guys. So I totally apologize about that. So over here, I have my masks files on this right-hand side and my layers. You'll notice that they are green. I'll explain that in a different video. I changed them to a chroma to make it a little easier to add multiple compositions together. But what you are going to do, you're going to click on the top one, go all the way down, click on your bottom one, and then you're going to simply right click on them, scroll down if you need to quick export as ping, and then you're going to find wherever you would like to drop the folder. So I'm going to create a new folder, masks tutorial, and choose create. Then I'm going to hit open. And what's going to happen is they're going to take all of these files and it will export it as a ping file. Then all you need to do is take those ping files and upload those into your After Effects and then pull and use them from there. I hope this helps clear up that extra step that I did miss. I apologize for that. Thank you again for following along with these tutorials. I hope that they are helping you out as you're kind of making your way down this path. This is the method that works best for me at this point, and I keep adding and trying new things each year, like the chroma key. So as you develop, you might find something that works better for you, or maybe a different program that works better for you but is more expensive. But it's totally up to you how you would like to proceed. However, if you do use these tutorials, I would really appreciate a call out, or just sending me the clip so I can include it and see what you were able to accomplish. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.